Okay, welcome back. This is a long division video. It shows you how to divide using long division. Now, the whole process of doing long division is that you have to do three things. First, you gotta divide, and then you have to multiply, and then you have to subtract. So let's start with the first one. If I have 375 divided by 3, I'd open the division house. I call it division house. Now, the first number, normally kids don't know what this is. This is called a dividend, and that's called a divisor. The answer is called a quotient. Again, a dividend, a divisor, and the answer we're about to find out is called a quotient. So the first number goes inside the house, 375, divided by 3 outside the house. Now, 3 divided by 3 is, I try to fit the first number. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, we have to move on for the first two numbers. If it doesn't work, the first three numbers. As for now, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract, you get a 0. So first we divided 3 divided by 3, we got a 1. Then we had to multiply. 1 times 3 is 3, and then we subtracted 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down the next number, 7. Now 7 divided by 3, I don't have a 7 in the table of 3, but I can decrease that number so that I can find a number that works. I can make it a 6, right? 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract that, you have a 1. Now bring in the next number, 5. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract, you have a 0. So the answer is 125, or as we call it, the quotient. Let's do one more. Now feel free to pause the video and do this on your own. 284 divided by 4. Now 2 divided by 4 doesn't work. So we can try 28 divided by 4 because 2 is a small number. So it has to be even. It has to be at least the same number or higher. Now 28 divided by 4 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Subtract that, you get a 0. Bring in the next number, 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract a 0. So the answer is 71. Let's try one that has 3 digits divided by 2 digits. 385 divided by 12. Let's open the division house. 385 divided by 12. Now 12 goes into 3. No, it's a smaller number. Now 38 divided by 12, that works, but I don't have a 38 in the table of 12. I don't have a 37. I have a 36. So 36 divided by 12 will give me 3. 3 times 12, 36. Subtract that, 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. It's obsolete to write that down, so I'm not going to write it down. Bring in the next number. 25 divided by 12, it fits inside. I can fit 12 inside of 25. However, 25 is not in the table of 12, so we can decrease it down to 24. 24 divided by 12 is 2. 2 times 12 is 24. Subtract, that will give you a 1, a 0. No need to write that 0. So the answer is now a mixed number, 32 and 1 out of 12. That is your answer, or you can write it as 32 remainder 1. Same exact thing. Now, this is a problem for you to try. Try this by yourself. Try to see if you can get the right answer. Thank you for watching.